All right, guys, let's do Platinum Baseball. It's been several weeks since we've done this. So this is Series 1. There's 400 boxes altogether, and this is box number 267. So there's a 42-player checklist, and so each spot gives you random players out of this one. So let's see what we got. So each spot gives you 3 random players. So we got Stephen K with 1 spot. John H has got 1. Luke G has got 3 spots. Arturo's got 2. Sean H has got 2. Jaron's got 2. Sean G with 2. And then Ryan B grabbed the last one. So we've pulled a lot of Aaron Judges out of here. So let's see what we can do out of this one. So let's go ahead and randomize the players first. All right, so we're going to go ahead and randomize this list 5 times. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so we got Jeter up top. We got all the big names in here. Mickey Mantle's in this. Willie Mays. Of course, you got all the current players, Harper, Mike Trout, all those guys are in this. Chris Bryant. All right, now let's randomize the guys that are in this. So you get three random players here. Here we go. Good luck. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so Sean H. And then Jaron down at the bottom. All right, here we go. So Arturo, you've got Manny Machado, Yogi Berra, Hank Aaron, Sandy Koufax, Buster Posey, and Mattingly. Jaron's got Bo Jackson, Johnny Bench, Albert Pujols. You've got Aaron Judge, Chipper, and Mike Piazza. John H. with Stan Musial, Joe McCarthy, Randy Johnson. Luke's got Ichiro, Nolan Ryan, Mickey Mantle, Corey Seager, Ted Williams, Vlad Guerrero, David Ortiz, Mariano Rivera, and Clayton Kershaw. Ryan B., you've got Joe DiMaggio, Francisco Lindor, and Barry Bonds. Sean G's got Maddox, Andrew McCutchen, Duke Snyder, Andrew Benintendi, Ty Cobb, and Willie Mays. Sean H., you've got Derek Jeter, Griffey, Bellinger, Ernie Banks, Giancarlo Stanton, and Chris Bryant. And then Stephen K., you've got Trout, Ripken, and Bryce Harper. Nice 3-person name there. All right, so 267 out of 400. Yeah, let's just pull something we haven't seen before. There's a lot of names we haven't seen yet. Oh, we haven't seen him before, I don't think. Dude, this is a monster right here. You got an Albert Pujols from Flawless, and that's 10 out of 10. On-card auto, that's from 2016 Flawless. That's a nice one there. All right, so Pujols, and that's going to be Jaron. Dude, Jaron is cleaning up tonight. Winning both Platinum Breaks. So Jaron, we'll get that added to your list, man. It's a nice pull on that. So we'll get more Platinum. They're actually running out, so they don't have a ton left on David Adams' website. We'll try to get another one here and break another of these probably next weekend.